Next question. X plus 6 root 2 raised to half. So power half means square root. Okay. So square root of x plus 6 root 2 minus square root of x minus 6 root 2 equal to 2 root 2. Square both sides because that is what we do when we see square root. Okay, so squaring both sides we get a square a minus b whole square, so this will become a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this 2 root 2 whole square will become 8. So let's write it down. X plus 6 root 2 plus x minus 6 root 2 minus 2 square root of x plus 6 root 2 x minus 6 root 2 equal to 8. 6 root 2 gets cancelled out. I am left with 2x minus 2 root a plus b, a minus b will be x square minus 36 2s are 72 equal to 8. Cancel out all the 2's. This becomes 4. So x minus square root of x square minus 72 equal to 4. Take x that side. So this will be minus square root of x square minus 72 equal to 4 minus x. Let's square both the sides again. This becomes x square minus 72 is equal to a minus b whole square. 16 plus x square minus 8x, x square and x square again gets cancelled out. You are left with 8x is equal to 88, x equal to 11. This was one of the most easy questions asked in the slot 2 of CAT 24 for algebra. Okay.